Hi, I'm Kathy Meyer, and this is Showplace Cabinetry Design Center.
Showplace has locations in both Sioux Falls and Harrisburg. They've been in business for 20 years.
Showplace Cabinetry was started in 1999 by a group of individuals who thought there was a need for a better way of building cabinetry in the Sioux Falls market. Showplace Cabinetry can put cabinetry anywhere in your home. Your office, your business, your garage, your man cave, any place that you need some cabinetry, we can put them there. In the 14 years that I've been at Showplace Cabinetry, every day I'm thrilled to go to work to see what we can do for people and their houses and their lives. We are very proud of our designers. They help people make beautiful things and make their home a showplace.
Showplace's success is due to their people, their customer service, and their commitment to their communities.
We are a semi-custom cabinetry line that is keeping up with the trends, and we spend a great deal of time making sure that we are relevant in the market. We strive to create lifelong relationships with our customers, so when there's another project that comes up, they always think of us first. And now let's go talk to one of my designers, Amy, and check out the showroom.
Hi, I'm Amy, a designer here at Showplace, and now we're in our showroom.
When you come to Showplace, you'll see a variety of cabinetry displays. You can check out different cabinet colors and door styles, and they have plenty of kitchen and bath ideas.
It's beneficial to come into the showroom because if you've been comparing things online, it's just a good time to come in and actually see the real product, touch it, feel it, see how it actually functions. You can see lots of different displays and color combinations that we put together. You can get a lot of inspiration from it. The designers at Showplace stay on top of all the trends by taking online webinars. We go into people's houses every day, and we're constantly looking at Houzz and Pinterest. The latest trends that we're seeing in kitchens are a lot of painted cabinetry, dark colors, grays, and even mixed in with some lighter warm tones.
And cabinets are for much more than just kitchens. Showplace has great ideas and options for cabinetry in your laundry and mudroom, the bar area, bathrooms, and offices.
We can work with any budget. We're going to ask you a lot of questions about your family, about your daily life, how you use your space, to find out what your needs are, to get you the products that you want for the price that you want to pay. I really enjoy building customer relationships. I like to get to know people and to just help them with the problems that they have with their space. If you're ready to get started on a project, just come on in, bring your ideas, and we're going to be looking forward to talking with you.
Now let's take a look at one of Showplace's recently completed projects.
Now we're in a kitchen that we recently completed, and we think it looks fabulous. This is a client that I've worked with for years. They recently moved to a different home. We were their first choice to help with the remodel project. My role on this project was to help lay out the space and provide all the cabinetry. We started by talking about which appliances we wanted to stay in certain locations, and instead of one long island, created 2 separate islands and different workspaces. The cabinetry that we chose was an extra white painted finish on our new Edgewater door. We decided to take the cabinets all the way to the ceiling, and we finished it off with a beautiful crown.
This pantry area before was long and narrow. Showplace switched the layout to make it more open and inviting. The decorative glass, sliding doors, and open shelves make the space come together.
My favorite part of this project is actually the range hood. There are 2 stainless steel hoods that had to stay there, and so we had to find a way to totally disguise them. We also did the bar area, which is right off of the kitchen. We added quite a few appliances, a wine refrigerator, a coffee maker, a few of the appliances they had, but that was the big challenge to get them all to work. The homeowner's really happy with how it turned out. It's everything they were hoping for and more. They're really happy with the layout and how it functions for them. People should choose Showplace because we're going to listen to you. We're going to follow your project through till the end, and we build our cabinets locally. You can get more information about Showplace by visiting our website, giving us a call, or stopping in our showroom.